Now, I really can't cook, but these kids gotta eat. In here, I was making some chicken Alfredo. Now, let me explain. The chicken itself, I did on the griddle, and it was really, really good. It was juicy, it was tender, and I'm just chopping it up. So I'm getting ready to put it in my Alfredo sauce. Now, you see that Alfredo sauce right there? You see that Alfredo sauce? That Alfredo sauce tricked me. So, you know how they say you get, I don't know what they say. That is Alfredo sauce out of the jar. And I tried to dress it up. I put a little bit of seasoning. The seasoning wasn't bad. You know what killed it for me? What killed it for me was I put way too much garlic in there. And it killed the taste for me. I thought I was doing something. Thought I was being creative. And putting garlic in something that ain't creative, it created a mess. That's what it created.